What if I told you that the hustle, the long nights, the burnout, the constant grind is officially outdated? And right now, a handful of AI tools are quietly doing 99% of the work for the people making the most money online. Most people are still stuck trading time for dollars, while a small group is building systems that work for them 24/7. And the gap between those two groups? It's getting wider every single day. So if you're tired of doing everything yourself, and you're ready to start building something that runs without you, then you need to pay attention to this. Because in the next few minutes, I'm not just giving you tools, I'm handing you a full system. A step-by-step blueprint to go from zero to fully automated income using AI. Let's get into it. Step number 1. This is where most people mess up, and it's the reason they never make money online. They spend weeks, sometimes months, trying to come up with the perfect idea. Don't do that. Instead, you're going to use a tool called Mindy. Now, Mindy isn't just another chatbot. It's more like an AI researcher that finds what people are already paying for. Here's exactly what you do. You go to Mindy, and you type in something like, "Find me high-demand, high-margin digital product ideas in accounting, construction, or small business." Within seconds, it's going to give you a list of real problems that people are actively trying to solve right now. Not guesses, not trends, real demand. And this is where it gets powerful. Instead of sitting there brainstorming, you're choosing from ideas that already have money behind them. For example, you might see something like automated job costing templates for small contractors. Boom! That's your product. Most people skip this part, but this is where the money is. Because if you get this step right, everything else becomes easy. Now here's where it gets interesting. You have your idea, but you don't have a product yet. That brings us to step number 2, Gamma. This is where you turn that simple idea into something that looks like it cost thousands of dollars to create. You go to Gamma app, and you take the idea Mindy gave you. Then you paste it into Gamma and tell it, create a professional digital guide or presentation for this topic. Choose presentation or web page. And just like that, in under a minute, it builds a full product for you. We're talking structured content, clean layout, visuals, headlines, everything. You didn't design anything. You didn't write everything from scratch. But now you have a polished, high-value digital product that you can sell. Most people think they need to be designers or experts to do this. But this is exactly where AI flips the game. Now, step number 3 is where you turn that product into a 24/7 salesperson. And for that, we're using 10Web. If you're still trying to learn complicated website builders, or paying someone thousands for a landing page, you're doing it the hard way. Go to 10web.io, tell the AI what your product is about, and it will literally build a full website for you, optimized, structured, and ready to sell. It handles the design, the layout, even the back end. All you have to do is drag and drop your Gamma product into the site, and just like that, your storefront is live. This tool replaces what used to take an entire web agency. But here's the truth. A store with no traffic is just a hobby. Which brings us to step number 4, InVideo AI. This is the engine that drives people to your product. Because if you want sales, you need content. But you don't need a camera. You don't need editing skills. You don't need a production team. You go to InVideo AI. You paste in your product idea or value proposition. Then you select a format, like YouTube Shorts or Explainer. And the AI does everything. It writes the script, finds the visuals, adds transitions, even creates a human-sounding voiceover. You can create an entire month of content in one afternoon. And while everyone else is struggling with editing and lighting, you're consistently putting out content that drives traffic straight to your website. Now finally, step number 5. This is the part that makes everything truly passive. Zapier. Because what happens after someone buys? Most people are still manually sending emails, delivering files, updating lists. Not you. You're going to set up a simple automation called a Zap. So when someone buys your product, Zapier automatically sends them the product, adds them to your email list, triggers a welcome sequence, and even updates your tracking system. You don't touch anything. It just runs. This is what separates a side hustle from a real system. Now you've got everything working together. Mindy finds the idea. Gamma builds the product. 10Web creates the store. InVideo drives the traffic. Zapier automates the back end. That's not 5 tools, that's one machine. Quick example. A local plumber plugs one idea into the machine. Mindy surfaces. Top drain emergencies homeowners actually pay to fix. Gamma turns it into a 12-page guide with step-by-step photos. 10Web spins up a simple checkout page with one offer and one guarantee. InVideo AI generates 5 shorts explaining quick fixes, each ending with "book a same-day slot." Zapier delivers the PDF, pings Google Sheet, and texts the owner when a booking lands. Result: leads while he's on the job. Mini callout, one input, many outputs. Keep the value prop identical everywhere. Problem, promise, proof, path. That's how one machine compounds attention into sales. And this, right here, is the difference between having a job and building a business that works for you. Now you have the exact tools, the exact process, and the exact system to completely change your financial trajectory using AI. Example mindset shift. Stop asking, "What should I post today?" and start asking, "Which piece of the machine am I improving?" Today might be a stronger hook in one short or a clearer guarantee on the landing page. Call out. Proof beats polish. Drop one screenshot of results, one customer sentence, and one clear next step. That's it. People buy clarity, not complexity. Your edge is speed of iteration. Weekly loop. Mindy finds angles. Gamma refreshes assets. InVideo ships content. 10Web A/B tests hero text. Zapier tracks outcomes automatically. The only thing left is for you to take action. So if you got value from this, hit that like button right now. Subscribe, because I'm breaking down more systems like this that most people aren't talking about yet. And drop a comment below. I want to know, which of these tools are you setting up first? Mini challenge. Publish your first asset in 24 hours. Prompt Mindy for 3 paid problem ideas in your niche. Pick one. Have Gamma build a 1-page guide. Upload to 10Web with a single checkout. Then open InVideo AI and generate 2 shorts with the same promise and a direct CTA. Connect Zapier to deliver the guide instantly. Comment, "Setup" if you're in, I'll reply with my checklist. Pro tip. Price the first offer between $9 and $29 to validate demand fast. Raise price after 10 real purchases and 1 testimonial. Personally, I'm betting on that Mindy and Gamma combo. All the resources are in the description. Resource highlights. My Mindy prompt pack, Gamma theme that converts on mobile, and a 10Web headline formula. Use the same copy in InVideo descriptions for consistency. Example angle. Automated job costing for small contractors. Hook. Stop guessing margins. Know them before you bid. Proof. 1 chart. Path. Get the template. Instant access. Use this exact layout across every asset. Repetition sells. Variety is for your ego. Consistency is for your profits. Now stop watching and start building. Final push. Pick 1 customer, 1 problem, 1 promise. Ship 1 machine this week, not someday. Small, simple, shippable. Your first 10 sales are the only metric that matters. Everything else is set up. When you hit 10, iterate, not reinvent. You've got the blueprint. I'll be in the comments helping. Go build.